Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to assemble the ECU 1051 gateway and provide the correct power supply connections. Now, let us see the gateway assembly. Here, we have the antenna, which is used for wireless communication. Next, we have the gateway unit. This is the ECU 1051 device. On the top side, you can see the antenna port, where the antenna will be connected. Finally, on the right side, we have the GPRS cards. These cards are inserted inside the gateway to enable network connectivity. So, in summary, the assembly involves connecting the GPRS card inside the gateway and attaching the antenna to the antenna port. Here we can see the interior of the ECU 1051 gateway. At the middle, we have the GPRS card port. This is the slot where the GPRS card is inserted. The function of this port is to provide connectivity between the gateway and networks, allowing the ECU 1051 to send and receive data wirelessly over GPRS. This board contains the main electronic components that handle communication and data processing. Here we can see the interior of the ECU 1051 gateway. On the left side, there is the antenna port, which is used to connect the external antenna for wireless communication. At the center, we have the GPRS card slot. This is where the Quectel EC25E GPRS card is inserted. On the right side, you can see the main terminal, which is used for connecting antenna port. Now, let us understand the connection diagram of the ECU 1051 gateway. On the left side, we have the 230-volt AC supply, which is connected through a 2-pole MCB for protection. From the MCB, the supply is given to the SMPS, which converts 230-volt AC into 24-volt DC. The 24-volt DC output is then connected to the power input terminal of the ECU 1051 gateway to provide operating power. For communication, the RS-485 connection links the ECU 1051 to the PC, allowing configuration and data exchange. Additionally, serial devices can also be connected to the ECU 1051 through its serial communication ports. This setup ensures that the ECU 1051 is safely powered and properly connected for testing and operation. Thank you for watching.